specially made for running.
If they start moving around, I'm out of here. I'm allergic.
Hey, hold this. Hold this right here. Don't pull, just hold it. Don't. Oh no.
Crocky, mate.
Crikey! Look at these bees!
What we have here.
Y'all some crazy.
Get the beehive! Get the beehive! That's not gonna work. Back up.
I don't know how heavy it's gonna be, and I'm afraid it's just gonna swing right into my body.
Well, hold your bucket up there.
Yeah, just let them drop in the bucket. Oh boy, here we go.
Dude, don't freak out!
Don't do it. Don't be
freak
right.
out.
Be right.
Open
Go
it
towards
up.
the woods. There you go. Go. There. He got it.
Russell is a
Easy, 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 Russ.
Russell, have you gotten stung yet?
No.
No,
Grab
no,
that
no,
bucket.
no,
Grab
go
that
away.
bucket. Hey, we need get a big plastic bag.
Russ.
Yo, big black bag.
Are they stinging?
No, just calm down. Don't go in there.
Yeah.
Fast, get out of the way.
And then just walk away slowly once we get this close. Hold on. Yeah,
Should I start or should I
you're
just...
all right. You're all right.
Oh my gosh, you're making them angry.
We may have to like triple bag it.
Not yet. Need to soften? No.